Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Amazon Kindle subscription step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your phone or computer. Go to Amazon.com and make sure you are on the correct Amazon region for your account. Click Sign in and log in with the Amazon account that pays for the subscription. Hover over Accounts and Lists at the top right, or tap the menu icon on mobile. Select your account from the drop-down or the menu list. Scroll until you find the section called Digital Content and Devices. Click or tap Content and Devices to open your digital library settings. Go to the Preferences tab at the top of the page. Scroll down to the Subscriptions section. Click Kindle Unlimited Settings if you are canceling Kindle Unlimited. If you have a different Kindle subscription, choose it from the subscriptions list. On the Kindle Unlimited page, find the option Manage Kindle Unlimited Membership. Click Cancel Kindle Unlimited Membership to start the cancellation process. Read the message about what happens when you cancel, including your access end date. If Amazon offers a reminder option, choose Cancel Now if you want to stop it. Confirm your cancellation by clicking the Final Cancel Membership button. Wait for the confirmation page to load fully. Check that you see a message saying your membership is canceled or set to end. Take a screenshot of the confirmation for your records if you want. If you subscribe through the Kindle app on iPhone or iPad, open the Settings app. Tap your Apple ID name at the top. Then tap Subscriptions. Find Kindle or Amazon subscription and tap it. Tap Cancel Subscription and confirm to finish. If you subscribe through Google Play on Android, open the Google Play Store app. Tap your profile icon. Then tap Payments and Subscriptions. Then Subscriptions. Select the Kindle-related subscription and tap Cancel Subscription. Confirm the cancellation and note the end date shown by Google Play. Go back to Amazon and check your memberships and subscriptions to make sure it matches. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.